Welcome to my channel. Take it easy. Coal shed for raw coal stock maintaining. Ground hopper from where coal discharged through conveyor raw coal silo. Raw coal silo where raw coal stored for feeding into vertical rolling mill. Drag chain conveyor for controlled feeding into rolling mill. Coal mill for coal grinding and drying. Hot gas generator for generating hot inactive gases to remove coal moisture. Classifier for separation of sized coal. Bag filter for separation of coal waste gas. Vibrating screen for screening removal of oversized particles. Fine coal silo for maintaining a safe stock of fine coal for injection. Injection tank for coal pneumatic transfer. Distributor for coal distribution in individual coal lances. Coal lance for coal injection into furnace. Coal flow steered from raw coal shed, from where coal feeding done through conveyor to raw coal silo. Magnetic separators used to separate unwanted ferrous materials. Coal flow discharge into coal feeder or drag chain conveyor is controlled through rod gate slide gate. Then coal is fed into raw mill in a controlled way maintaining mill differential pressure. Mill grinding table rotation provided through grinding motor. In mill two things done. One is grinding and another is moisture separation. Normally 200 mesh size maintained from 80 to 90 and moisture maintained below 1%. Hot gas required to remove moisture from raw coal provided by hot gas generator. BFG combustion air used to produce hot gases. LPG used as pilot burner for initial periods of heating. Blast furnace stove waste gas also used for this purpose. Induced draft fan used to create negative pressure or suction. With the help of suction pressure, coal powder sucked through bag filter and separated. Classifier controls the outgoing coal fineness by controlling its rotation speed. If we increase rotation, then more fine coal will only can pass through mill. Coal separated through bag filter with the help of bags and pulsing system. Fine coal screened for separating any oversized coal if available. Fine coal accumulated into fine coal silo and discharged through injection tank and distributor, finally injection into the furnace through the lances. Major risk or incident in PCI. Fire in bag filter or mill or PCSB. We know the fire triangle: fuel, oxygen and temperature. In PCI, fuel available is coal and carbon monoxide gas. Oxygen could be available in stove waste gas line and leakage in duct, flange joints. Temperature available in HGG and mill outlet. Probable reason of fire in bag filter is high temperature, high oxygen concentration, high carbon monoxide concentration, insufficient or no supply of N2 purging or inert gas, failure of oxygen, carbon monoxide analyzer, pressure or temperature transmitter, failure of safety interlock, automation, explosion in HGG. Probable reason of explosion in HGG. Improper air-to-gas ratio due to malfunction in control valve in BFG, LPG and combustion air line. BF gas entry in HGG due to leakage from gas shut-off valve. Blowpipe failure. Probable reason of blowpipe failure. Lance got burnt or short length due to lance choked. Nitrogen failure in lance. Off center of PCI lance. Accumulation of coal in blowpipe. Backfire in lance. Probable reason. Nitrogen failure in lance. Lance got choked. Scab dislodging in front of tuyere.